Hey guys, we were talking about AI and Gimkit during the meeting today, and Ms. Colby mentioned maybe make a video, and I thought it would be easier just to go ahead and show a video so you can see how easy it is to go from, standard to Gimkit. It's so simple, okay? So let's get started. First thing I always do is I went to MVPA, found my worst standards, went from there. We'll just say that I'm a 7th grade science teacher and my worst is 7.ps1. I come over to Deep AI, which is what I use for everything, and I say, do you know what uh, Tennessee Science Standard 7.ps1 is? Okay, it does. It knows all my stuff, it aligns it, it knows how to use it. So then I ask, okay, well, make me, and you can use any number here, let's just say 20. Make me 20 review questions based on this standard. I want them multiple choice. Oop, I can't spell today. Sorry. Multiple choice. Also, format them for a spreadsheet. And this is one of those things where you can ask it to do it for Gimkit, but 9 times out of 10, your input makes all the difference in your output. So I always just tell it exactly what I want. So format them for a spreadsheet and make them question, correct answer, wrong answer, wrong answer, wrong answer. Okay. Now you could do it for Gimkit, but it's so much easier when you just tell it what you want and it will do exactly what you want. So I come through here and I look at all my questions and I make sure, is this what I want? Is this what I want to touch on? Is it correct? Always double check AI because it makes mistakes. But I go through here, I say, okay, this is good. I like these questions. They're really nice. I could come down here and say, make them harder, make them easier, give me more choices, but these are good. I like them. So I come up here, I copy all the questions all the way until it says question correct. Don't get the top, the headers. You just want these down here. Okay. So then I come over to my Gimkit, and I'm going to create a new kit and we're going to title it 7.ps1 review, whatever you want, but click next, any picture. Then I'm going to come over here to import from spreadsheet. Okay. You'll want to download this template number 1 right here to your Google Drive, which I've already done. It looks like this. Then you're just going to paste in the information. Okay. Super easy, super simple. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and usually I'll name this something different. I'll change this to, 7.ps1 review. And then you have to download it as a CSV. Make sure that's a comma separated values. Okay. And that'll give you that file up there. And then when we go back to Gimkit, all we're going to do now is click this upload file, find our 7.ps1 review, upload it, and there it is. All the stuff is in here, all the questions, all the answer choices, all good. Click all done, and now it's in my library. So you can see here's the ones I had for my ELA MVPA 2. These were the worst, and that's the kind of ones we use. So now it's good to go. You just play live from here and you've got your Gimkit that quickly. I know it might seem, some steps in the beginning, but once you get the steps down, it's so fast. And you can do 50 questions, 100 questions, 200 questions. It'll just keep pumping them out. So hope this helps. If you ever have questions that you want me to, talk about, I'm happy to make a video for anybody. I'm happy to come by your room and talk about it. If you have questions about this still, again, feel free, ask away, and I'll try to help as best I can. But have a great day.